Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make quiche. First, let's get started with the crust. You'll want to use a 9-inch pie crust, whether you're making it from scratch or using a store-bought option. Blind baking is key here. Pop it into a 375 degrees F oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. This quick step ensures your quiche won't have a soggy bottom, giving you that delightful crispness we all love. It's a simple trick for a perfect foundation. Next, let's prepare the delicious filling. Start by sautéing your favorite vegetables and any meats you're including, like ham or bacon, until they're tender and any extra moisture has evaporated. This prevents your quiche from becoming watery. In a separate bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs with 5 cups of milk or cream, along with your preferred seasonings. Finally, stir in about 1 cup of shredded cheese, like Gruyere, for that rich, creamy texture. Now it's time to bring everything together. Carefully spread your cooked vegetables and meats evenly across the bottom of your pre-baked pie crust. Then, gently pour the egg and cheese mixture over the top, making sure it's distributed well. Place your quiche into a 375 degrees F oven and bake for approximately 35 to 45 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the center is set and a knife inserted comes out clean. Once your quiche is beautifully baked, the hardest part is waiting. It's crucial to let it cool for at least 10 to 15 minutes before you even think about slicing into it. This cooling time allows the quiche to set up perfectly, ensuring clean, neat slices. You can enjoy your quiche warm or at room temperature. It pairs wonderfully with a simple side salad for a complete and satisfying meal. Enjoy your homemade quiche.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.